It's my first vacation with nephew Leo, and we're going to Mexico, Playa del Carmen, for a wedding. I wasn't originally planning on coming on this trip, but found out that I had some time off work, so I decided to come last minute. And boy, am I glad I came. Good morning. We started off early in the morning with breakfast and headed to... We're at JFK and we're going to Cancun. Look, there's Leo. He's distracted by all the shops. The 4-hour flight went by pretty smoothly. However, we had to entertain Leo the whole time, which was so tiring. Shout out to all the parents out there traveling with kids. We're in Mexico. Good morning, Leo. You're in Mexico now. We made our way to the car rental and checked into our Airbnb. Since we'll be going from the Airbnb to the resort each day, it was much more convenient having a car and a baby seat. Leo, we're here at our villa in Playa del Carmen. Leo, look at me. Yay! This is our Airbnb. There is a bathroom in here. There's washer dryer in here. Oh, mosquito repellent. Here's a kitchen, living room space. Leo watching Miss Rachel. And look at outside. I don't know how you're supposed to find your way back though. We're gonna go upstairs. Whee! All right, upstairs. All right, here's one bedroom. I'm gonna turn the AC on. Okay, here is another bedroom. Here's the bathroom, shower for the baby. Here's the master. Ooh, walk-in closet and shower. Nice. We're here for 5 days in Playa del Carmen and excited. Bye. This is our Airbnb complex. It's pretty cool. We're going to the pool. Here's the playground. We're off to the pool. Leo loves the pool, and we spent a lot of time at the pool. He didn't ever want to get out, and look how happy he is. So the wedding actually takes place at Banyan Tree Mayakoba, which is right next to our Airbnb. So that's where we spent our days celebrating Long and Margaret, hanging out by the pool, and eating at the restaurants. We really enjoyed the breakfast buffet at Banyan Tree. There were so many options, and we especially loved the taco bar and the local Mexican foods. Leo especially loved the strawberries and fruits. Just finished breakfast at Banyan Tree's Cello restaurant, and we're gonna go to the beach later. But first, I just finished our coffee. We got around with the golf carts, which was super easy and comfortable. It even fits strollers, so it's very baby friendly. Okay, let's do a room tour of Banyan Tree rooms. When you walk in, you have a private pool and cabana area, which is gorgeous. This is the room. It's a king bed, and you can see pool and cabana. Oh, there's Leo. It's a nice big bed. There's a hammock out here, and it leads to the pool as well. And then you have the sitting area, which is really nice. The bathroom is incredible. It's so big. There's this outdoor shower and closet bathroom and shower. When we were able to take Leo out, we went to El Fogon, which was highly recommended by our friends to get some local tacos. Then we strolled around Playa del Carmen's famous 5th Avenue street. It was pretty empty on a weekday afternoon, so we didn't spend much time there. We're just walking around 5th Avenue. It's like the main touristy street that runs parallel to the beach. So walked around and it's really hot, so we're heading home. Another restaurant we went to and really liked was Los Aguachiles. We especially liked the fried shrimp tacos and the shrimp. I got a liter of a maracuya mocktail drink, which was delicious. We highly recommend this spot if you're in the area. Another wheel! Wow! He loves wheels. We're off to the airport. We're heading back to New York. And I don't know where I'm going. I have a ticket booked to San Miguel Allende in Mexico, but I think I'm gonna go to Lima, Peru instead. I don't know. We'll see. Let's go to the airport and make a decision there. I just said bye to Shirley, Panos, and Leo, and I'm walking over to my terminal. Whew. All right, well, time for my solo adventure. I got to the airport and I'm literally trying to book a flight ticket while I'm at the airport. I've never done this before and this is all so last minute and spontaneous. I feel like I'm not meant to be going to Peru or something, but I'm gonna try the office just upstairs because my hotspot and Wi-Fi weren't working, so I can't book the tickets online and the counters aren't open yet, so I'm gonna try upstairs. Let's hope this works. It's 11 a.m. My flight's not till 1:30 to San Miguel, so just wait at the terminal until then. What a disaster. But anyways, I decided I still have my Mexico San Miguel ticket, so I'm gonna use that to get into the airport, go to around where there's better Wi-Fi, and then try to book my ticket there. If that doesn't work, then I'm just gonna go to Mexico. It is what it is. Got my ticket for San Miguel, and I'm just gonna go in and see if I can get another flight ticket instead. I was wavering between San Miguel and Peru because I wasn't packed for Peru. I've always wanted to hike Machu Picchu, but did not bring the right clothes for it. So it's May 10th, it's noon. My flight is 3:45, Cancun to Lima today. Hey. I felt a calling to go to Peru instead because of this time off work and knew that I could always do a Mexico trip easily in the future. I'm about 2 hours down before my leave flight. I don't recommend booking flights so last minute like this because flights are more expensive. However, I only found out last minute that I didn't need to go back to work and could stay remote, so that's why this is all being booked so last minute.